So today is the second part of our reflection for Psalm 23. So yesterday we focused on the first verse, which is the Lord being our good shepherd.
I know marami sa atin yung gusto nating ma-accomplish yung iba't ibang bagay at maraming bagay sa buhay natin. At hindi ko sinasabi na masama yun, but the good Lord is also inviting us that there are times na kailangan nating mag-pause and mag-reflect. At sabi nga natin, minsan hinga-hinga rin at huwag masyadong magpaka-busy. Kasi din pag masyado nang marami tayong ginagawa at maingay na yung mundo, kailangan natin ng pahinga at kailangan nating mag-pause para mas marinig natin yung instruction ni Lord. And remember that true peace doesn't come from having a perfect life. It comes from being close to the Good Shepherd. So we can spend time with God in prayer and in His Word. Pwede din tayong spend time with nature kasi nandun din siya sa nature. At yung mga bagay na pwedeng magparelax sa atin, sa puso at isip natin. Kaya kung napapagod ka, magpahinga and let the Lord restore your soul. See you tomorrow para sa ating part 3. God bless you.